Hey guys, today is, what's today? Wednesday, November 28th, 2018. This day recap. What a crazy day on ALQA. So this is not the backside yet on AQA. This is not the backside yet. This morning I said the backside would be a break under $4 and then down to the 320 line. Right now, it just made a new high, so the support should be 450, and then there's a channel down here. So $4 must hold with the fudge factor. So whenever you use a line, guys, whenever you use a line, there's always a fudge factor. The $4 does not mean exactly 450 or $4. There's an associated fudge factor you have to put in, and you have to see what I call that fudge factor, but another word is slippage. So slippage over the line, under the line, because once it breaks, momentum will take it either up or down over the line. Sometimes it hits the line, fine, and bounces off. That's exactly right. But so you scale around that area. So let's take a look at the fudge factor, what I mean by fudge factor. So 4 line, I keep saying 4 line, right? But in actuality, like the fudge factor takes it to 388, 380s, right? See, take a look at this guy here, 375. This one's $4. This one's a little higher. So if you do technical analysis, you can draw a trend line. Just draw a line up. It's getting higher and higher. It's not touching $4 anymore. You see what I'm saying? It's actually now touching 409. That's where I've been buying everything. 408. See? So I just gave you guys a little secret. And you're not feeling at $4 because it's moving up now. It's not at $4 anymore, guys. In the beginning, it was slippage under $4. You see how it does it? They're very tricky, man. So in the beginning, this was 375, the low. Became 385. Became $4. Became even higher. You see what I'm saying? It's stair-stepping higher. So you have to keep track of these things. And so I scale around those areas. And that's how I'm able to get these spots. It's scary as hell. I tell you right now, I nailed all these moves up today. This is where confidence in the lines that you need the confidence. If you're going to be able to trade, you have to have confidence in your system, guys. If you're not, you're chasing the tops and you're selling the bottoms. What I'm doing is I trust my lines. I trust my strategy. So I'm putting orders out there and it comes to me. And then when it moves up, I can add more. It's called adding to a winner. But the initial, for me, this is how I do it. Everyone does it differently, right? For me, I put orders out there, feeler trades. And so if it hits, it hits. Those are what I call fantasy orders, right? If it hits, it hits. And this is why I top tick and bottom tick often. Because those are my fantasy orders, and they so happen to coincide with technical analysis. There are tons of technical analysis you can do, right? You can do Fibonacci. You can do all sorts of stuff. You can make up your own weird indicator. Who's to say Bollinger Band is the best band, right? It could be some other band, marching band. College football bands, cheerleader band, whatever you want, whatever works. So all these indicators that they create are all from probability, statistics, and math models, right? But you know what, man, at the end of the day, are those guys rich? Yeah, they are. You know why they're rich? They're fucking licensing that shit to you. They're not rich from trading. They're rich from fucking copywriting, patenting the Bollinger Band. Are they rich from fucking using their own shit to make money? No. If it is, it'd be so simple. You can create an algo based upon that one indicator, and you made $1 trillion. Why is it that all these Goldman Sachs algos are not making trillions of dollars all the time? They are making money, but they're not making money because of some simple indicator. They're making money because of high-frequency trading. Big difference. They're taking micro movements. They're taking advantage of what's called latency. So I'm sitting here in California, 3,000 miles from New York City. They are fucking next to the NASDAQ server. NASDAQ is licensing to them for a shitload of money space next to their fucking quotation server. They are milliseconds faster than me. In computer world, milliseconds is, oh shit. Milliseconds is basically an eternity. How many fucking cycles can a fucking computer do within a couple milliseconds? A lot, guys, a shitload. They can fucking do all your fucking work within that time frame. And so that's how they're making money. Oh shit, let's go down. Let's do this live trading. Shit, I don't want to tell you where I enter, but I'm scaling 450 line. And then down here, just, you know, you do small shares, you scale in. So once again, guys, so what I'm trying to get at is indicators are indicators, guys. It's how you use them in theory and application that is going to make you money. It's not just, oh, I fucking, let me see where I'm going to sell. I filled at 449. So let me show you exactly all my fills. I'm not bullshitting you guys here. Let me get rid of some of these things, guys. Okay. Let's move this over here. So the only reason I keep talking about indicators, just so you don't fall in love with whatever the fuck indicator that some fucking next guy is trying to sell to you, you know, some fucking shit. Even me, man, it's like an indicator. It's like, does it work for you or not? Let's see. I got all these fucking orders here. So I just opened up this fucking account here. So I'm still setting it up. I'm trying to fucking scalp this at the same time. Okay. So actually filled here. So here are my orders. So I was scaling a 450 line. I got a little FOMO, to be honest. 459 was FOMO. 449 is where I really wanted it. So I did get FOMO. That's why I was trying to set up. I was like, fuck, because I was like, I wanted to fill. I didn't want to teach and have to go back and edit my shit. So now you see where I filled. As simple as that, guys. I have a ton of open windows. I have on one stock. It's like, why not, right, guys? So what you do is like, you key it in. Let me see what I'm scaling out. You key it in so that when the time comes, you can fucking just click the button. This is my hotkey, guys. This is my hotkeys. My hotkeys is not slamming a fucking thing. It's having multiple windows open, pre-filled orders in there. And so when that time comes, I hit it. It acts like a hotkey, but I'm not just, but these are pre-planned orders. So I'm waiting for it to come to me. I'm not fucking like, you know. Okay, let me change some of these orders on here. So I don't use hotkeys. You can use hotkeys if you want, but I add to liquidity, guys. I plan my trades. I don't need to slam the shit. Sometimes I do when it breaks a certain thing. Like let's say 450, right? So if I wasn't trading, I would be slamming the 450 on a buy. On him the offers, and that's how you get. So if you're trading momentum, you could do that. If it breaks a certain, like if it breaks under 470, I'll slam the 470.